Hello guys. Welcome back to my video. It's your boy Rollins any writer / gamer. Once again, if you're new at my channel, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for regular notifications and like the video and share it with your friends. Today we are going to talk about the top viral trending topic in India, which is called as JCB KI KHUDAI. I guess all of you guys have heard about it, seen it many times by now in your Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. The memes of JCB KI KHUDAI has flooded all over the internet. Even I was shocked when I saw, what the fuck is this JCB KI KHUDAI? I heard about Rum de la Ros Mala but never heard about JCB KI KHUDAI before. I thought, are you mad bro? JCB really? At the unknown state of mind, I thought it was a new IPL team, JCB KI KHUDAI. Crazy right guys? Well, but that's the truth, it was everywhere on my Facebook. According to Google and normal person, JCB means Joseph Cyril Bamford Excavators Limited, universally known as JCB, is a British multinational corporation, with headquarters in Rochester, Staffordshire, manufacturing equipment for construction, agriculture, waste handling and demolition. It produces over 300 types of machines, including diggers, backhoes, excavators, tractors, and diesel engines. It has 22 factories across Asia, Europe, North America, and South America. Its products are sold in over 150 countries. But why did JCB become a meme in India this week is the real question. After some research on the topic, I have found a conclusion on JCB KI KHUDAI. In some states in India, especially in Karnataka, there was a unique marriage. The marriage vehicle was not a luxurious car or a horse but an earth mover tiller machine, JCB. The pictures of the married couple sitting on the bucket of a JCB machine went viral on meme pages all over internet. People started reacting and sharing these memes across the internet. Well, it only happens in India. That is one reason why JCB is a meme now. There is a second reason for it. They really had an awesome, unforgettable marriage on a JCB. That will be a lifetime memories for them. There is even a theory that the memes become viral and which encouraged a famous celebrity, Sunny Leone, who posed on a JCB machine for her Instagram photos. Well, her pics went viral all over the internet too. Another reason for the viral of JCB memes was that a woman who was a Twitter user tweeted that some people on internet have so much time to waste on meaningless shit, that they even watch videos of a JCB digging the soil, JCB working on a bridge, and that those videos of JCB working have 2 million, 4 million views on YouTube alone. She was enraged and angry as even many good YouTubers who shared valuable knowledge and influencers didn't have that much views. Well, that's weird but true. So I checked it myself on YouTube, typed JCB, and oh gosh, holy moly, those videos really had 4 million to 5 million views. It shocked me that people do that shit, and here is some pics. You see that, guys? That's crazy, right? Now that was the second reason for the viral of JCB memes. So if you enjoyed my video, please like and share and subscribe my channel, share with your friends. See you in the next video. Peace.